cookie jar and threw away the lid. Practice makes perfect for my special group. Sometimes